It's your boy, Lucky. Welcome to Lucky Land. I had to spin it back. I ain't made no fried noodles in a while. This time I used turkey ground beef. Try something different rather than regular rabbit noodles. Because I ain't had a regular chicken rabbit noodles. I tried the hot and spicy cup noodles, just crumble it up. Got the corn, peppers, beef. Normally I have a bag of skins. I'll just put it, while it's still steaming, I'll put it in my bowl because, you know, my girl don't eat pork. I don't eat it like that, but I'll put a little skins in that here and there. But let's see how it tastes with the cup noodles. I know what to do with the turkey ground beef. You know, I love dropping food and eating it off the table. But it's my table and it's clean. Yeah, ooh, steaming. By it already having the seasoning in there, all I did was put a little onion, garlic, pepper, cayenne. That's all you need, baby. I like mine hot. Some people use jalapeno peppers and pickles. Some people just use pickles. Dice them up like this. We dice them bitches like this. You in there. But shout out to all the Tauruses. It's my girl B-Day tomorrow. It's my B-Day Thursday. Fuck with your boy. Like, comment, subscribe. That's why I'm doing this video. I ain't gonna post in the next 2 days. I might post a picture, you know. What's this, Penny Proud? What's this, Proud Pump? Cartoon. Hmm? Why is this a cartoon? What's the song? Who? Oh, nothing. What is it called? Baby, I'm sorry, but you hand me that water bottle. I don't want to. Okay, just roll over. Don't you be in the camera. Titties hanging and swinging. What? In case you hating ass niggas wondering why I got beads on the tip. As you can see, this one right here in the back. See how it curls up? See how I fold? That's how this do if I didn't have the little 3 little beads. It'll curl like that one in the back. And it still curl, but I'd rather have that than it be like this. Like, it literally be like this on all of them. So, you know, see that length on your boy. Go check out what I'm watching. You know, I'm always watching something, sipping something. You put, get the dime, baby. I'm gonna take one with, my YouTube. My YouTube peoples. I was gonna say niggers and nigglets. But you know everybody ain't niggas and nigglets. Sorry, baby. I'm gonna take a shot with y'all. That's another one. You know, but this a cartoon version, I guess the Proud Family. Good Times, I'm sorry. A cartoon edition of Good Times on Netflix, but I don't know how this consists of Good Times when they got the BBLs, whatever, I don't know what it is. The fake titties and butt and all that. The old Good Time, no cartoon went like that. Exactly right. Let the new school generation watch the old school Good Times, the originals. Like the originals, Three Stooges. The original, what? Some of the new, like the remake of the new Proud Family was cool. I don't think the new remake of... That's like them doing a newer version of Popeye. Ain't nothing like the old Popeye the Sailor Man. You know? I could see if they make a newer version, but it's like new in between type of thing. You feel me? But you know what it is. Oh, I'm dropped the top. Don't worry about that. I'll rinse it off. That I will rinse off. Where my food fall on the table, and I know I just wiped my table down. Was not detergent. Dawn dish soap with a little bleach in my dishwater and hot water. I'm wiping down. Oh yeah, my motherfucking piece of chicken fall on this motherfucker. I'm finna eat it. Happy birthday to my baby at midnight. It ain't midnight. Happy birthday to me on Thursday. You fuck with your boy. I don't care if you niggas send $1. Money sign, capital LUCKY, capital P25. Fuck with your boy. Fuck around and find out. Ooh. See, I like to get my some money's worth. Oh. So therefore, I like to pour a little water out and get the residue floating around. Damn, homie. Who's supposed to be Thelma? Yeah, I don't know, but at this point, then I ain't even got the whole song. It's just got the. They smoking and all type of shit. These for them new age kids. Yeah, good times. No, that's not the good times I know. Keep going. I bet y'all ain't know I had that pair. Put my earrings on tomorrow. I had to get them polished. You know? But, the most thing I might do on here tomorrow is post the video I'm doing now. If you haven't noticed, even on Fruit Fridays, I do, well, Fruit Fridays, say Friday, Fruit Fridays. I do the video on actual Friday, but I won't post it till Saturday. And if I do a video Saturday, I won't post it till Sunday. You feel me? What this is that? Pull up on me. Thanks for all the supporters. Hit that bell. So, I know y'all probably, some people probably talk shit. If I had some cilantro, I wouldn't have put it in the whole pot that I made of fried noodles. I would just put it on top of my stuff. You know, I love that cilantro and them green onions, so I don't know what's wrong with me. I love that shit, though. I like healthy things, believe it or not. When I post these videos, they'll be like my first real meal of the day. Like, to hold me over, I might make some cup noodles or put some Chinese dumplings in the air fryer or fry them, or you can boil them each whichever way, but normally it's the oven toaster or the air fryer. or frying, well. But I'm trying to stay away from the fries, so I feel like air fry might be a little more, how. But well, let's say like when I did that catfish video, and I had a whole piece of fish left. I ate that the next day, and me and my girl split the red beans and rice that was left over. She had a piece of fish left. I had a piece of fish left, and we ate that and split it the red beans and rice, and we ate that to held us over till then. Of course, sometimes I might eat some fruit or get a little chips or something, but I don't eat more than one real, like, meal type of, no. Oh, today, this really my second meal. I had 3 tacos, and the tacos, they wasn't like, they was like, well, like, how, when I had the mini tacos on my thing, it's a little bit bigger than that. 3 of them. And I ate that around 10 o'clock. And I'm just now eating again at this exact time. Which is what? What's the exact time? Sorry, baby. 11:46. It's 11:46 in Chicago. This is the exact live time, baby. This is the second thing I ate. Honestly. And that's on my cousin Paris, for real. So, yeah. Some people, I send them, share my videos. Oh, you getting big as hell. I technically got big off of when I got injured. Just laying around, can't really move type shit. And off of prednisones and all that. You feel me? That shit, that's a steroid. Getting shot in your head with a steroid. That shit blow you up. That steroid shit blow you up. Prednisones is opening your airway, and it's like a steroid at the same time. So, man, motherfucker, I'm gonna post a picture when a nigga was skinny. Y'all don't know what it is. I ain't never been this. But it kills me when I share my videos. Oh, you need to stop eating. Like, I really don't eat, bruh. Like, I really don't eat, G. Like, for real. But, when you're skinny, oh, you need that thing. You look good. Something wrong with you. Get big. Hey, you big as hell. Like, boy, get the fuck. That's what's wrong with African Americans. But nevertheless, yes, I literally, and if I used my card, I would have showed you without showing no type of areas type of shit. Even if I kept the receipt, I would have covered up the area, showed you the date and time, like the fuck, with the total. Like, I don't know what type of games you play, but I don't lie about such things like that. Not saying that I haven't lied, but nothing like that, or nothing serious or something. Might be some dumb shit. Yeah, I was asleep. No, I wasn't. I was just wanting to be to myself or something. Type of line. But, motherfuckers, I let them talk and don't talk to their ass. But you feel me? Run my shit up. Fuck with your boy. If you a tourist, especially the beginning of the April, drop a green heart. And if you're not a tourist, show your boy some love anyway. You can drop whatever type of heart. But if you a tourist, drop the green one. If you ain't a tourist, drop whatever heart color you feel to drop if you got an iPhone. I don't know how the Android people work out. But y'all cool too. You hear me? Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Y'all might get a picture of me on my birthday. You always seeing me like, it ain't anything. Even when I be going out sometimes, that's just some comfortable, chill shit. I'm going to think about it, you know. But, fuck with your boy. Take a shot. A roll one. See ya. It's your boy, Lucky. Like, comment, subscribe. Lucky Land TV.